whether it is the far left, which was a real ideological rainbow that was frankly almost untenable, and also in the center with this tactical voting in the middle, I am hopeful that there is going to have to be some reckoning on the program that comes out of the future coalition. There are the numbers. There's something approaching, I don't want to jinx it, but something like Stalmerism, where you have the center plus the Greens and the Socialists. The numbers are there, even if the spirit may not be. So I think there is scope to imagine extremes being toned down. My concern is that the campaign itself was really not what I would consider to be a good campaign. It was sort of, even setting aside the whole fake news, there was fake history, there was lots of strange calls. You felt like you were voting for the 1930s or 1940s or 1980s. There was very little discussion about policy. So I think we may get into a situation where the reckoning of the parties and the elites comes a bit quicker than the reckoning for the voters. So it could be quite unstable. And yes, it may not last more than a year when it comes time to put a budget together. But right now, I'm definitely more hopeful than I was a couple of days ago.
Well, it's interesting about where we could be in a year's time, which I want to go to in a minute. But Eleonora, just to say that, paint the scene for us a little bit about how much leeway there would be. Jean-Claude is suggesting that the reality will become quite clear that they would be unable to implement certainly seriously expensive policies from here. But what is the situation that France is in, and how much room for maneuver is there on that front?
Well, the situation is that France's public finances are strained. Debt is high, deficit is widened, interest payments are increasing. It's already considered to be under the excessive deficit procedure of the EU.
So violating the borrowing rules of the European Union.
Exactly. So deficit is it's higher than 3%, and debt is increasing. So the previous government, or still current government, this morning, has put together a very ambitious program to try to tackle these problems and decrease the deficit by 2027 and comply partially with the EU rules. This has been highly questioned because it's very ambitious, but it was always the right direction. Now, our view is whichever coalition or type of government comes in power, there's likely little effort to do any fiscal consolidation. So at the best, we'll stay at the current baseline, which already violates the EU rules.
Thank you for all being here for our recording of Votonomics from our Paris bureau, and thank you to our excellent guests, Lionel Laurent, Eleonora Mavroedi, and of course Jean-Claude Trichet. Subscribe to Votonomics wherever you listen to podcasts. Everyone in this room, I shall expect to do that, and if there was anything you didn't quite catch, you will also be able to hear it on the Votonomics podcast feed. But from Paris, thank you very much.
Now, your 3-day weather forecast on Bloomberg 960.
Around the Bay Area for tonight, clear to occasionally partly cloudy, low temperature 55 to 60. Tuesday, mostly clean skies and breezy, 80 to 90 inland, 70 to 80 for the Bay, and 90 to 100 inland on Wednesday with lots of sunshine, 75 to 90 for the Bay. More of the same likely on Thursday too, 90s inland, 80s for the Bay. This is Gary Best with your 3-day weather forecast on Bloomberg 960.
Take your Bloomberg radio listening experience to the next level. Download the Bloomberg Business app today and listen on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Get live radio, podcasts, and hourly news updates no matter where you are in the Bay Area and up and down the West Coast. Plus, expanded details on your favorite shows at the click of a button. The Bloomberg Business app now. CarPlay and Android Auto features. Download it free in the Apple App Store or on Google Play. Bloomberg Radio. Context changes everything.
Take action by taking the 1-minute risk test at doihaveprediabetes.org. You might not be able to escape having that song stuck in your
Atlanta, or via live stream on August 22nd for Bloomberg's Business Value of AI event and networking reception. This event will gather business and technology executives to share their experiences and provide insights into their strategies for deploying AI that achieves a desirable ROI. You'll also learn how companies have successfully implemented AI solutions that have improved productivity and profitability. This program is proudly sponsored by IBM. Register at bloomberglive.com/AI/radio.
Volatile markets, global elections, central bank policy. You've got questions about the business stories that affect your world. Let Bloomberg give you the answers. I'm Stephen Carroll. Join me for Here's Why, a new podcast that drills into one big story each week. We'll explain it in just a few minutes with help from one of our 2,700 journalists and analysts across the globe. Listen to Here's Why on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app or wherever you get your podcasts.
Market disruption has accelerated the need for increased efficiency and scale in the asset management industry. Do you have the right technology to propel your firm's growth? Bloomberg buy-side solutions are engineered to deliver a seamless enterprise experience so you can gain a competitive edge. Data, analytics, trading, risk, operations, connected. The buy-side from every side. Visit bloomberg.com/buy-side.